All, this is Lata from Indian Mom Vlogs. Welcome to this channel. And today's morning, my morning routine today involved making breakfast for the kids, packing their lunches. I also made it's like peanut butter. It's a chutney which we make from groundnuts. That's what I made along with to have with their breakfast, and cleaned up the kitchen as I made the stuff, because summer season has started here, and it is terribly hot. So hot that it's not at all possible for me to clean in good clothes. So I'd rather, how can I even show you what I am cleaning, because I use the home clothes and I clean in that. Then I change over, take a shower and change over to the good clothes, because there's the sweating is unimaginable. It is very hot. um, so that's why, one was that. Second, my health was down a bit, so both included, I couldn't even shoot any video. It just didn't make any sense. So today's video, I just wanted to talk about what I have done over the last week. I did clean. So I cleared out that cupboard which is right near my bed. I cleared that out, sorted some paperwork with the help of my daughter, the old bills and stuff like that. Around 2 days back, thoroughly cleared out the fridge and threw a ton of stuff. I did go through again the kitchen utensils, and I got rid of certain things. So there is a lot going on, like that, which I cannot really film, because I'm just doing it as and when I have like a 2 minutes here, a 5 minutes there, and there is final exams going on. My daughters are over. She's coming to the 10th grade. My sons are coming up this week. So we started revising. Not much revising with him, because if you must have seen my other videos, he rarely sits down. He's very active. So whatever we can, we are trying to do that. So all that takes time away from cleaning, because the focus now is, let's finish this portion. And actually the primary focus is, let us make sure he at least sits for a few minutes, maybe a half an hour, so that he can study, because the exams are right around the corner. It's actually tomorrow, the first paper. So what I'm doing is, early mornings in itself, I'm trying to finish whatever cooking I can do. Oh, that's the ambulance. Sorry about that. Live right near a hospital. So again, oh, so the ambulance has gone. Prayers to whoever is in that ambulance. And so that's what I'm trying to do. Everything, do it right early in the morning before the sun rises. There is no way I can do it through the day. Some days I'm just switching on the AC and sitting in the room, just keeping on wetting the hair like 20 times a day, because it's so hot. Today, by God's grace, it's much cooler. So today I will not be filming anything I'm gonna do, but this is what I have done already. Cleared out all the dishes, emptied whatever I have cooked, cleaned and put that away. I have prepared dinner, lunch. Dinner I'll make again a little later. I'm planning to buy some chicken and make. I have cleared out the breakfast dishes, washed, kept them away. Then one load of laundry is it's getting done in the washing machine. I have put away some clothes. Basically cleared out surfaces, made the bed, took care of the bathroom a bit. So the day is done as such. If you're following the Fly Lady cleaning system, technically we are in the kitchen. So I am sometimes on Fly Lady, sometimes I'm not, in the sense that I do go room to room. I might not be in the same room and in the same type of zone like Fly Lady is mentioning. I might not do certain things, because especially in these hectic time things, I really don't know how I'm gonna I don't know, I feel lazy to stick on to those routines. So I have kitchen. Whenever I'm in the kitchen, I'm trying to clear out, like, okay, this corner looks really bad, so to remove everything from there, put some detergent, wash it, wipe it thoroughly, wipe down the tiles. So all that is on and off. Like anytime I have 1-2 minutes, a chai is being, it's boiling on the gas. At that time, I will simultaneously, say, clean up one counter or one shelf, or arrange some dishes, or the kitchen cabinet looks really horrible, wipe that down, things like that. How much ever we are doing, that much, soot is coming, grease is coming, maybe because this is right near the highway, as you might have just heard the ambulance, and it's also right near a couple of complexes where construction is going on. So basically you just wipe the table and you'll have black on the finger, even if you are doing it multiple times a day cleaning. So we are doing what we can. So this is basically my morning routine. Cooking, cleaning, making sure the kids are sent to school, and then I take care of my Bible lesson. If I have not, or I'm not able to get up early morning, I don't know what, my routine has gone out of sync. Usually I would get up real early and do my lesson. So right now it is after the kids have gone, I'm spending time doing the lesson, and then I'm not able to focus. So what I'm doing is I'm just writing down the scriptures, writing down certain ideas, and working through it. That way, at least when I'm writing it, the action is making me focus here and not focus on other things. That is also included in morning routine. Morning routine also includes taking a shower, putting on light makeup, combing out the hair, things like that, the beauty regimen. And hopefully you are sticking on to your routines if you're following the Fly Lady system. I'm sadly unable to do that from the past 1 week. I'm doing it in a different way, not exactly like what Fly Lady says, but if I think about it, I've done almost everything, but in a different sequence. So that's why I think that's how people just fall out of these systems. They just can't keep up. It demotivates me. I feel very sad when I miss a day, which it should not. I mean, what's the big deal? You just missed a couple of days, but it does feel really bad. Otherwise, I think I'm on track. I'm trying to make my own routines. I watched the other videos on the ladies in this challenge, and I've noticed that they are doing it in a different way, and I am also trying to do it the way they do it. Take it day by day. Make sure the house looks prim and proper. So we had visitors, we had service people coming in, and I was not at all embarrassed to have them at home. So that's big progress. I still love the Fly Lady system. I still love her book, and I am following bits and parts her system. Let's see how long I can be able to stick to it. I'll be coming out with many more videos, hopefully once if it's not too hot, or I should be filming in the evenings. The problem with the evenings is I have no proper lighting. That is why one more thing. So also I had another update. I'm going to club multiple of my channels. I have, I'll be having some of my beauty videos here. I'll be putting some of my marketing. Basically, I used to work as a marketer, so I do get marketing video requests. So it doesn't make any sense for me to put it on another channel, which I actually have, but I have not paid attention to it at all. I mean, I cannot focus on so many channels. So you might see the occasional marketing video, the occasional, I'm going through the law of attraction, and I'm going through manifestations. So you might see the manifestation videos on this channel. So don't feel like, that means that's the end of housekeeping and cleaning. those also will be there. This is exactly who I am, you know, what all I like I'll be putting on this channel. So if for instance a marketing video comes, feel free to skip it and don't watch it. You can come back and watch when I upload the housekeeping videos. This is the only way I can keep videos coming out if I stick to one channel and not to a million channels. The occasional vegan food recipes I'm trying out, those also will be on this channel, some hauls. So that's all I planned for this channel. If you have anything to comment about this, please do leave a comment below, and also please do let me know are you able to stick to any of these routines? How long do you usually last with a routine? How easy or how difficult it is for you? Because I'm really feeling a little bad that I can't stick to something for too long. Yeah, I have morphed it into something which which is feasible to me, or maybe that I have made my own routine. I'm not sure now at this point. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We will meet again in another video. Bye bye.